So we've invited all our bidders, and the bid is now live. Unfortunately, we need to change the scope of work. So there's a requirement to create an addendum. To create an addendum with ContractComplete, we can simply go ahead and change the line items. Maybe it's the quantity we're changing, or perhaps we're removing a line item completely. Or perhaps we're adding a completely new line item. We might also be including more information for our contractors. We might be adding a new provisional item. The great part about ContractComplete is as we make these changes to our schedules, they will be calculated. If the bidders have asked any questions, we also have the ability to answer them. We can identify which changes we would like to share with our contractors and create our formal document. With our addendum editor, we can review the information we are sharing with the contractors, and we have the ability to also include any additional information. We can also include supporting PDF documents and add a signature whether it's saved or done manually. When we send out the addendum, all of the contractors will receive an email notification. On our overview page, we can see which contractors have reviewed these documents based on the color of the A1 icon. Each addendum created will appear on the bidder's checklist and will be required with contractors' submissions.